Change language in Subway Surfer. In this video, I will show you how to change the language in Subway Surfer on your iPhone. It's super easy. Let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer application. From the main screen, you have to tap onto the settings icon from the top right corner. Scroll down and find the language option. Tap it, open the list of available languages. Now you just have to tap on the language you want, like English, Spanish, French, Arabic, or many more. The game will instantly switch to selected language. No restart needed. And that's it. You have now changed the language in Subway Surfer. It's super quick, right?
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.